This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your location in the LinkedIn app. I'll be using an iPhone, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now, and I am on the LinkedIn app. To change your location on the LinkedIn app, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you will tap on View Profile. And from here, you want to tap on the little pencil icon right over here. And then you will scroll down to where you see it says Location, right in here, Location. From here, you can change your country right here. You could change your postal code, or you can change your city. Like if you wanted to change your country right up in here, just tap in that box. I'm going to erase the country that I have here and then begin spelling out, say that I moved to Brazil. I'm going to type B-R, right there is Brazil. I would tap on Brazil. And then the final step, you want to make sure that you save it down here at the bottom. I'm not going to save this because I didn't move to Brazil, but that is how you change your location in the LinkedIn app. Thanks for watching.